Wow, the river is as beautiful as ever. Hello wonderful people, so I'm down here by the river with the big river wall that is protecting my land from the winter rains, and there has been a middle part that has been crumbled down. It has been like that since I've come here, but it has always been worrying me, and Felix and I decided to tackle this project to get this big worry off my mind. Felix has built a stone wall before without mortar, so he's determined that we're gonna try this and can do this. So let's see. Wow.
Hier ist schon wieder ziemlich repariert.
Ja, stimmt. Obendrauf braucht man dann nochmal schwere, ne? Hm. There are plenty of rocks around. And there's amazing soil. So after a little lunch nap, we are feeling refreshed and continuing on the river wall repairs. Wow! Vor allem man kann auch noch kleine später reinstecken. I did not know this guy has such a stone wall talent. Der Fette hier, den finde ich gar nicht schlecht. So it begins. I'm taking away the soil and bringing rocks, and Felix is putting them all in, leaning backwards, the bottom of the wall sticking out more than the top. Very exciting, and each rock has to be placed carefully.
Hier wird es rocky.
Sometimes it's so difficult to find the right stone because they have to be jammed in a way that the water can't pull them out of the wall.
When I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop it right before it had begun. I was from morning dove, and you were the harp chasing me through the air. you didn't care. A different kind of love. A different kind, it was such a different kind of love.
Ja, genau. Aber wenn wir hier hochfahren, haben wir auch hier Platz für Erde.
Ja, und der Rest kann ja auch da unten Steine abdecken.
Nothing's easy, never is. But some love is haunted from the start.
Ja, ist schon noch schön, ne?
That's a wrap for today. Amazing, Felix.
Yeah.
So many meters.
There we will build stairs.
Down to the river. Yay! I always dreamt of that. Good morning, lovely people. It's a cool day today. Yesterday we went a bit crazy. My hand is hurting a bit, but we're gonna continue on the stone wall now. It's quite refreshing that it's not so hot. There was a thunderstorm last night and everything has cooled off. What a lovely workplace.
Brauchen dringend Nachschub.
We need more rocks, so I'm gonna go into the river because they are the best straight edge rocks.
Du hast mich angezogen.
Das ist das Gute an einem terrassierten Land, dass man immer alles runterschmeißen kann, das was man nicht will. Ah ne, hier ist auch einer.
Ah, der Gute.
Good morning, river. Oh, a big one.
A big one. Wow.
Another big one. So now there's a lot of soil that we have to take out of this corner. Let's go! Let's see how far we can get today, if we can get to the steps that we want to build. We just found a millstone. I thought this was concrete, but it's granite. Very shiny, and you can see the dent of the hole. Yeah, what a treasure! From the old mill in former times. Now we're getting ready for the next big base stone.
Ja,
Wird die nicht noch abgewiesen?
hier rauf. Dann musst du gucken. Genau.
Cool.
Dann warten wir auf dich.
Oh,
Ja, das könnte doch.
das könnte doch. Das kann nicht da bleiben.
Das da.
Ja, das ist schön fest.
Da brauchen wir jetzt aber einen guten Plan, wo wir die ganze Erde hin tun.
Ja.
Oha.
Nice water bottle, right?
ja die Mauer irgendwie besser. Ich meine, die ist ja nicht umsonst hier eingefallen und so nicht.
Das ist ja nur der obere Teil eingefallen, der untere ist ja hier auch gut.
Ja.
We are getting to the last corner, which is the most difficult. There's the most soil and things washed away. And we have to make a plan where to put some stairs in so that the stairs won't be flooded away. And we're already a bit exhausted, still from yesterday too. So here's a big concrete bit sticking out, but down there is quite a solid wall still. The idea was to make a curve back to the old wall with some stairs going up here. This is gonna be the first step. So we finished the bottom line of the whole wall. Woohoo! Good morning. That was hard work yesterday with the wall. We rested in the afternoon. So today we have fresh power. It's a very cold wind today, but the sun is gonna come over and warm us. I want to transform this area anyway. And here are big rocks.
I have no gloves.
Those were over the windows in my house. They will make amazing parts of the river wall. So we're just gonna throw them down here. Können aber auch erst andere, ne? Jetzt habe ich den hier schon.
Ja, gut. 1, 2, super.
Nicht die Erde aufschießt.
Das Stufers. Ja, für die Mauer können wir den da auch verwenden. Ja, muss dann sein. Runter, 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 runter.
3. Sieht das eben ja nicht so gut.
Cool.
That was already exhausting.
Also zum Beispiel den hier. Ich muss wieder ein Blatt helfen. Guck mal. Man kennt das.
Kann man ja mal bei der Maya gucken.
Ja, weil die hat immer Filme.
So while Felix is building the wall, I'm taking down some slate that I have here from the bathroom floor, and they make some perfect steps and walls for the stairs down there. They are very heavy, but once they're in the wheelbarrow, it's no problem. And off I go, all down the hill. Yeah, that was something. And there are actually many rocks laying around here. One last one, then I'm gonna take a break. Okay, which one of these can I carry? Alright, let's bring them down to the construction site. So good that we're building down there. I could never bring any of these up somewhere. So we need some mortar for the steps now. So I'm gonna mix some concrete. The cement got a little humidity over the winter, so I have to sieve it. Ah! But it's okay, it's gonna be fine. Let's get it down for mixing. Now it's time for the first step with concrete. Until here, Felix got it really nice and wedged in and tight with just rocks. But now, of course, we want to stop water from entering the step. I made a strong mix so that it's waterproof. Okay, so this step wall is on. Now we can backfill it and then put the top on it. It's a little fragile now. Delicate. Wow, isn't that something? We are on step 3 now and it was so much easier with a big rock like that. Unfortunately, it squeezed my finger, but I can feel it again now. Now we just need the next step and then we're already on a pretty good level up there. Whoa, what's beautiful! Where did you find that one? It's perfect.
Baltig ab nach zu. So.
Wow.
So. Ja, voll gut.
Yes, we definitely need a break now. Wow. So after a break, I got some more rocks and now we're gonna build up the last step.
Also den nochmal weg.
little bit of sunshine for us.
Locker drauf. Ja? Stopp.
Let's go, we're totally exhausted, but this is the last step. Wow, we built stairs in one day. Crazy! I'm just washing the cement off them. So fancy.
Check.
Stairs champion! Are you proud?
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Crazy that 2 days ago there was only a hill of dirt here. Incredible!
Und jetzt musst du hochkommen.
We did it! Oh my god! Such a relief, and it was such a hard work. Felix was amazing to build a stone wall like that in a few days, and I gained a lot of muscles bringing all these rocks here. What a teamwork effort, and I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna finish this part and the top part, the last row, later, but it's here already. And you can come down to the river this easily. This has never been possible before. And it makes it possible to be creative with this area down here. May it be hanging hammocks in between these trees or creating little seating areas for the summer, as it's so beautiful to be right by the river here. Work never stops here, so after a day of rest, we are on to the next project. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is the day of days, the first day of strimming. I'm gonna get the strimmer out and we're gonna clean in the forest land. We're gonna clean the paths. Hello, friend. Ja, einstecken vielleicht.
Ja, dann let's go, oder?
Yeah. Let's ride into the forest. First stop, parking lot. There's an old house in there. This is the path. We are the road cleaners today. Woo! Was geht? That was quick. The path is already clean, almost to the bottom.
Naja, das passiert.
So you can see the waterfall again, the lovely water tank down here. And I cleared along this beautiful stream to the end of my land, which is right here at this lovely pond with very clear water and beautiful stone wall. Felix just cleared this terrace. Cute little terrace.
Gehört die da unten auch noch dir?
And now we just have to clean up everything that we cut down into a nice big compost pile. Wow. Look at what we did. But it's so clean now. I'm so grateful that Felix cleared this whole terrace, which is really nice now. And here we saved some firewood. And down here you can walk easily to the waterfall. And to the creek. Amazing, what a power team we are. What a cute little forest. I would love to create a seating area down there or even put a little tiny house down there. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.